Thinking about launching a website? You'll need web hosting, and SiteGround is one name that keeps popping up. Let's find out why. In this video, we're answering 3 big questions. What is SiteGround? What is SiteGround used for? And maybe most importantly, why might SiteGround be the right hosting provider for you? Also providing you with a SiteGround discount so you can save money on your SiteGround domain name and web hosting purchase. You'll get up to 83% off SiteGround hosting plus a free domain name. To take advantage of the SiteGround discount, just click the link in the description below. The discount is automatically applied. A little disclosure. The link is an affiliate link, meaning you'll receive a commission from SiteGround at no extra cost to you. Plus you get an awesome SiteGround discount. Let's jump in. So first, what is SiteGround? SiteGround is a web hosting and domain name registration company that provides the space and tools you need to get a website online. Whether you're creating a blog, a portfolio, an online store, or even a business site, SiteGround gives you the tech behind the scenes to power it. Think of your website like a house. You need a plot of land to build on. And that's exactly what hosting does. SiteGround is that land, but it's fast, secure, and super reliable. Now let's talk about what people actually use SiteGround for. Hosting websites, they're actually one of the hosting providers recommended by WordPress.org itself. Running e-commerce stores, especially with WooCommerce, hosting business websites and portfolios, launching blogs, online courses, and even client websites if you're a freelancer or developer. So what services does SiteGround actually offer? They offer shared hosting, great for beginners, WordPress hosting, fast, secure, and optimized for WordPress, WooCommerce hosting, ideal for online stores, cloud hosting, scalable power for growing businesses, reseller hosting, perfect for freelancers and agencies, email marketing tools, send newsletters and campaigns, web hosting for agencies, collaboration and white label features, website builder, easy drag and drop builder, and domain name registration. Buy and manage domains in one place. So why choose SiteGround over other hosts? Here are a few reasons why people love them. Speed. They use Google Cloud infrastructure and advanced caching so your site loads fast. Security. Automatic updates, custom firewalls, and daily backups. Huge peace of mind. Support. Their customer support is top tier, available 24/7 via live chat, and they're actually helpful. Ease of use. Their site tools dashboard is simple, clean, and way easier than cPanel. Scalability. You can start small and upgrade as your traffic grows. It's beginner friendly, but also powerful enough for experienced developers. They have different plans starting at just $2.99 a month. Even the startup plan comes with everything you need to launch a site. Free email, SSL, daily backups, and one-click WordPress install. So to sum it all up, SiteGround is a fast, secure, and reliable hosting provider that's perfect for blogs, businesses, portfolios, and online stores. If you want peace of mind, great customer service, and a host that actually cares about performance, SiteGround is absolutely worth checking out. Hope this SiteGround tutorial video helped you understand what SiteGround is, what it's used for, and why you might want to use it too. Give this video a thumbs up and leave us a comment. Let me know if the tutorial was helpful or not, as the comments help improve our tutorials. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more SiteGround hosting tutorial videos.